Switzerland is a beautiful country located in Central Europe. It is known for its stunning alpine landscapes, mouth-watering chocolates, watches, and of course, banking. However, there are several amazing facts about Switzerland that most people don't know about. In this video, we will explore some of the fascinating facts about Switzerland. Switzerland is a multilingual country. Switzerland has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romance. German is the most widely spoken language in the country, followed by French and Italian. Romance, a language that originated in the Swiss Alps, is the least spoken of the 4 official languages. Swiss cheese is not just one type of cheese. When people think of Swiss cheese, they often think of the famous cheese with holes in it. However, there are more than 450 varieties of cheese produced in Switzerland, including Gruyere, Emmental, Appenzeller, and Raclette. Each of these cheeses has its unique flavor and texture. Switzerland is home to the world's oldest democracy. Switzerland is known for its stable political system, and it is one of the oldest democracies in the world. The country has been a federal republic since 1848, and the Swiss people have been able to vote on political issues since the 13th century. Switzerland is a neutral country. Switzerland has been a neutral country since 1815, which means it does not take part in international conflicts or alliances. This neutrality has helped Switzerland to maintain its peaceful image and remain free from war for over 200 years. Switzerland has one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Switzerland has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with an average life expectancy of 83 years. The country also has one of the lowest infant mortality rates in the world, which is a testament to the quality of healthcare in the country. Switzerland is home to the tallest dam in Europe. The Grande Dixence Dam in Switzerland is the tallest dam in Europe and the 3rd tallest in the world. The dam is 285 meters high and is used to generate hydroelectric power. Switzerland has a law that requires everyone to have a bomb shelter. In Switzerland, every home and apartment building is required to have a bomb shelter that can accommodate the occupants of the building. This law was put in place during the Cold War and was designed to protect the population in the event of a nuclear war. Switzerland has the highest railway station in Europe. The Jungfraujoch railway station in Switzerland is the highest railway station in Europe, located at an altitude of 454 meters. The railway line leading up to the station is also one of the most scenic in the world, offering stunning views of the Swiss Alps. Switzerland has the world's 2nd highest rate of gun ownership. Switzerland has one of the highest rates of gun ownership in the world, with around 46 guns for every 100 people. However, the country also has strict gun laws and regulations, and gun ownership is heavily regulated. Switzerland has the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in the world. The Charles Quonen Suspension Bridge in Switzerland is the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in the world, measuring 494 meters long. The bridge offers stunning views of the Swiss Alps and is a popular tourist attraction.